anglerfish spawns in this specific area out there. Anglerfish
Guys,
spawns
where
out
are
there,
you?
so that's why.
Guys, anglerfish is there.
I told you! That's why I didn't bring a flashlight. Because I was scared I would accidentally activate
Can I get my ray guns back?
and make anglerfish mad.
Red, Dennis.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna guys. Where
Red, can
are
I
you?
Go get a flashlight.
Red, can I get
Guys, where are you?
I'm over here.
Oh,
I
okay.
feel like they're getting a flashlight.
Yeah, I fell down and I
While
I
we're
fell
here,
down the
let's
stairs and I didn't know where you two were.
Let's wait for them here because I feel like they're getting a flashlight. We gotta make sure we don't see that new monster.
everyone kill somebody named...
Wait, is that the monster? Dude, is that the monster? There's a shadowy figure.
The glowing light is not a monster. I don't know where the monster
Dude,
is.
is that the monster, that shadowy figure?
What do you mean shadowy figure? I must
Dude.
not be seeing it, but let's just ignore that. And let's just hide from it while we wait for them to come back with a flashlight. If there's a shadowy
I see a
figure, we don't see it
shadowy
with a
figure.
flashlight.
Is that the
So let's
monster?
wait
I've
for-
never seen
for
the
person
monster
to come
before.
back with a flashlight. Why else would they leave this place?
What?
I think I heard them say they were gonna get a flashlight. They left this place. Hope they were getting. They can't hear us.
Guys, I'm coming
They're
to
not
haunted house of
holding
the...
AIs. No way they can hear us. And if I disconnect, just remember, just don't wait to spawn. They can't hear us in here. They can't hear us. See? There's nothing
Can they
there.
see? I'm pretty sure that I see a figure. I'm pretty sure that I see a shadowy figure there.
Let's see it. Did they come back? Please tell
Dude,
me they came
where's
back.
the-
Flashlight. I just saw a light down there.
Yeah, I saw-
They came back.
Hello?
Yes, you came back.
I told you that was them! Dude, I saw them. I saw that was a monster. Light was flashing up.
Let's follow them.
Bro, come on. They know.
There's no
Guys,
shadowy figure.
You can't do damage with the ray.
No, but guys, there's a
now I
monster.
understand.
Yeah, the monster. I saw them. They were
I
a
did
shadowy
see-
figure, and then
I believe you now.
yeah, and then
Never doubting you ever again. Wait,
yeah,
did they
the
just
guy,
leave?
the guy with the flashlight flashed them, and I saw them, and then they disappeared.
Oh, they're here.
Come on, we have to go this way, guys. Come on. Where are you, dude?
I'm just being scared. Because of this monster. Oh!
Hell
Oh!
no. Other way, this way. Bro, this is Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's, hello? Hello? This is the night guard? Oh, hell no. The key might be in there. The key might be in there. We just have to...
There's a bomb.
Is that you, bro? Where? Oh, no, that's a bomb. I see. Wait, this way.
Whoever wants to join
Open
a
source
little,
community.
whoever wants to get a little money by joining a code, by doing random money glitches, say me.
Yeah. Come on. Door. Why is he in every single door?
And random money glitches, join the I'm in a haunted house.
Now let's get away from that.
Yeah, go to the other area.
Wait, are we sure we go to the other area? Should we wait for more
Yeah,
help?
this way,
Should we
but
wait for
we
help?
need to stop being so scared. We need to stop being so scared and be men. We're men. No, dude, did you see that? Oh,
And I'm 9 years old, bro.
Me too, and I'm a
Oh,
boy. Wait,
hello.
bro, it's you.
I did not expect
Oh,
another
bro, we
player.
found Morris human. Come on.
Guys, I'll be
This
careful.
door. Open. Yeah, guys, don't. I have this weird feeling that you shouldn't go down into that pit.
Yeah, it's lava.
Like that.
And I
just
feel
have
like
a-
we should not touch those things.
I went behind it, so it cannot kill me.
I told you don't touch that thing.
I wanna. Yeah. I do. Guys. Okay. Hey, bro, can you destroy crates?
Where'd you go? Okay, yes.
Found it. Found it. I found the key.
I can destroy crates.
You got the
Okay,
key?
let's go.
You got the key? Okay, let's go.
Let's go to the heart room. Let's go to the room with the giant heart in it.
Yippee! Let's go! Come
Well,
on.
I can just sell this. I'm gonna go sell it. No plan.
No, don't sell it. Don't sell it.
Oh gosh, you just gave me a heart attack.
I feel like we should be careful of that.
Yeah, I've been down here before, don't worry.
Are you kidding me? It's another zoo.
Guys, don't look at the heart in the middle. Don't look in the middle or else you'll take damage.
You're right. I just did. How did I just take damage? How on
But
it?
put it, wait, give it to me.
I
give
didn't
it to
look
me.
at the
I need
minute.
it. I need it. Oh, yeah, sure.
I thought I took damage. Guys, where do we go?
Dang. Oh, shoot.
Oh crap! Come to the code F9 and then we'll get a bunch. Code F9 and we'll get money. Go to code F9, people. Please.
Nearly murdered me.
Go. Yeah. Don't! They're trying to sell items! They're trying to... Guys, want to go to Haunted Mansion? Yeah, try to... Okay, grab a flashlight and a backpack. Can I get my gravity gun back? No, there, do it. Your gravity gun...
Can someone please come to Haunted Mansion?
Oh.
I'm stuck at this one lava pipe. And I don't know how to get out.
Whoa. Anyone, to go to code F9 to grind money. Grim Reaper, where you at? I'm at Red Light Green Line. I'm coming. One. Wait from. America. Turn the 100 minutes.
I just shoot the chicken and kill it?
My ray gun! Where's my ray gun?
Your tag is in.
Yeah, I was helping my uncle.
How fast does the chicken take to respawn?
Hi. God damn it, who's shooting all those stupid late? Wow. Wow. I shot it. Yay. Alright guys, I'm in haunted base.
Please, come like right now. I'm actually really scared.
No, I just...
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Guys,
yeah,
how
I
do
was
you get a
scared.
chicken egg? There's no chicken egg here.
What the signal?
What the?
Guys, how do you get a chicken egg?
What is that?
No choice. Do we have any sighting?
No, give it to me.
Fine.
Bella,
Red,
okay.
you come.
Give it to me. Give
How
it
do
to
I
me,
drop
Bella.
this thing?
Fine.
I don't know how to
Bro,
stop.
drop it. Brother!
Oh, wait, it is.
Brother!
Did I just walk in? Guys, I'm scared. I was scared to be here. Guys, look. This is literally the Gorilla Tag photo. This is the Gorilla Tag. This image was from Gorilla Tag.
Does anybody have
You're right.
organization right now?
You're right, 'cause look at that party hat.
Y'all going to
I realized it's from Gorilla Tag because I went to App Store.
Everyone come here. Everyone
Saw
come
the
here.
footages, and
Everyone come here.
I was like,
Where's-
wait,
come here,
that's
come
the
here.
same.
Ow. If you guys are at Haunted Mansion, the girl is up on top of the stairs. Hi.
Oh my gosh.
Bye. I'm over here. Scott,
Yes, I'm
Scott,
back. Whew, I'm back.
That.
Wait, Blue, I have a serious question. What does that
Where'd you
landmine
go?
do thing?
Remember?
The gray thing over there,
Gotcha.
what does that do? Stop it! Stop! What was that? What if I shoot you at this thing?
Let me
Don't. It's gonna...
find some items.
Dude.
I told you not to shoot me! The grenade was gonna blow up! And then Red took your thing.
Well, I could just rebuy it.
I saw the grenade there! I was just sitting down on the bench. And
What,
it,
you
you
wanna
just
make
shot it
it
and it activated.
I did not even know. Now I know never to shoot that thing.
Didn't
Never.
see the flipping grenade!
I didn't know, okay? I'm pretty much new to this update. I'm not doing
Yo, I
that.
can't sell this item. Can someone
Sell it? Wait,
Where
what
are
even
you
is
guys?
that? What does that do?
guys, I can't.
I can grab it. For example, buy a flashlight and
Go
put it right here on the
where the
ground.
haunted house
I
starts.
think I can grab it with this thing.
Wait, what is this?
Oh no. That's not gonna
Fire? Well?
Did that,
Oh!
did that just get sucked up?
No, we got flashbang. Okay, do it.
Have some fun. Time to
have
No,
some
no,
fun.
this is time to have some
Green,
fun.
hurry up. The
Bottle
doorman
flip,
goes.
wait.
I don't know
Ball
how this
flip.
works.
Yeah.
Oh, I am not dropping this thing. Okay, earlier it was like grabbing me. I don't know how it works. Maybe if we
Do it in
bring
my
it
hand.
out here.
Yo, did he die?
If we bring it out here, maybe it will work.
Hey, look at my hoverboard.
Who just dropped?
I got a hoverboard.
I'm not stealing that.
Hey, look at my fake grenade. I mean, it doesn't do anything like silly.
Have one of those, please?
Bottle flip.
I'll give you this.
That's not a
God
bottle.
damn it, you should stay away from me.
I know.
Oh!
You can have two
Oh
things
gosh,
with
that
fire.
is not funny.
I'm already good with
Darn it, because I need one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need one.
Gosh, I just go flashbang.
Hey, does anybody want my hoverboard? Hi, what's up, bro?
I want hoverboard.
Here, you just have to do one thing for me. Oh, can you give me that? I'll give you the hoverboard.
Stay away from me.
Yeah, tomorrow I can get it again. So
I want to kill someone, just one person.
how do I drop?
Drop it.
Guys, this mimic was chasing me.
Okay, good for you. Mimic was chasing you. Good for you.
Hey, did he just steal
I
those?
got killed 10 times.
Well,
Alright, go back to the
got
mimic.
it.
Go back to the mimic. Go back to the mimic. Oh, yeah, definitely go back to the mimic.
well, I'm gonna go play
I know,
Skate
I am.
Baboon
Now you
because
don't have to.
Yeah, go back to the mimic. Go back to the mimic.
Yo guys, I got something for everyone in the server.
Oh man, you said how proud you are of me, so stay away. Just walking up to see my way. They actually brought.
Monster blue, blue. Hi, monster blue.
People.
It always cracks my rib. Code live, code green, code yellow, someone's in the midst of dying. Charlie Nicholas!
Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol! Went right on the rail! Paw Patrol!
Both peacefully singing while they're getting chased.
Bro always gets the monster.
Are you going close?
If I get into oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! The moon was chasing me for a second.
Bro always finds a way to get the monsters.
Finally stopped chasing me!
He's right there.
City.
I'm aware.
Oh goodness, they're coming.
Oh gosh!
Oh shit, both monsters are coming. This is not a joke. Both monsters are coming. One coming. Level red.
Let's go!
Our playhouse.
Come on! That's my problem! My name is Wafflehead! My name is Wafflehead!
Bro, that's a good name.
I'm here.
Yes, he's running.
I'm shining light at you. I'm shining light at
Todas las cosas las
Never mind.
Code red. I repeat, code red.
Code red. It's code red, guys. It's code red.
I'm playing in mine. Yeah. And I don't like speed. I'm just kidding. I didn't quit. Also, I didn't quit.
One of them is like up here. Invisible.
Brown.
Gosh, you am I
I kinda hurt my head.
Wait, is it orange?
If you see a
That's
monster,
real?
I'm a noob
that's
at this,
red,
guys. I'm really new
There's
to
a
this.
red monster and a brown monster.
Orange,
Baby girl!
orange,
Baby
orange,
girl!
orange.
Baby girl!
Baby
girl!
girl!